Hello guys, welcome to ClayLA channel, and today I'm making my first pistons engines aircraft. I made some parts for wings and fuselage, and now make an engine with pistons inside. Yeah, it will be my first model with cylinders and pistons inside the engine. Pistons. Interesting. Somebody from Detroit watching my video? Never mind. So, what is the reason why I decided to make this plane? And reason is gun. Big gun. Really big gun. 45mm cannon on a single-seat fighter aircraft. Oh Jesus, I can't believe my eyes when I first time saw it. 45mm tank cannon on a plane. Not on the tank, on the plane. Whoa! People who watched my previous videos know that I usually make any tanks. And now, thanks for this cannon, I'm making fighter aircraft Yak-9K. It has only 29 rounds for its cannon, and also equipped with one 12.7mm machine gun in nose part of plane. 29 rounds, it's not so many, but a single cannon hit was usually enough to destroy any air target. Besides, this cannon can penetrate more than 40mm armor, and Yak-9K can destroy any tank during Second World War from top side. Firing the cannon at speeds below 350 km per hour or 220 miles per hour caused a dramatic loss of control and tossed the pilot back and forth in the cockpit. Yeah, it will be funny to fly it on this plane. This aircraft was not the best fighter, not became a legendary, but for me it was crazy idea to make a plane with such cannon. That's why I wanted to make it. While I was making this plane, I had one little problem. Red clay, plasticine, which I used for making fuselage, wings, external details, was a terrible quality. Red clay was on my hands, on my table, on my tools, it was everywhere. Damn, it became a real torment to make this model. Quality of another pieces of clay with another colors was pretty well. That's why final model, final look didn't like enough for me. And what about yours? Please tell me your opinion in comments. My channel now too little and too young, and your comments, likes and dislikes really help me to increase my audience, improve my videos. Don't forget about this, and I'll show you many interesting things in future, I promise.